नमस्कार. हांव फ्रांसीस कोयलो तालिगांवचो. तालिगांव काल आख्ख्या गोंयान पयला उजो पेटलोलो शेतांनी आनी लोकांक त्रास जाल्लो आनी आख्ख्या गोंयान पयला फायर फायटर आमचे येयलेले थिंगा आनी कितें जाल्लेलें. पयलें म्हणल्यार सगळे पळय आमचे पणजेचे फायर फायटर आहा तांकां हांव थँक्यू म्हणूंक सोदतां. कितेंय जावं दी ते पयले भितर सोदता, उजो पळयना कांय ना, दे आर ऑलवेज देर. एंड फायर फायटर आमचें काम पळय कोत्ता ते कसलेच डिपार्टमेंटांनी गोंयान करना तें हांव एक मान्य करून घेता. एंड फायर फायटरचे लोकांनी तालिगांव काल जें काम केलें, दे हॅव केप्ट अप टू देअर रेप्युटेशन ऑफ डुईंग एन एक्सलंट जॉब ऑफ पुटींग द फायर अंडर कंट्रोल. कोण लोक तेजी टिका करूंक सोदता, कोण लोक म्हणटा फायर फायटरांनी काम करूंक ना. But that fire was spreading so drastically and from such different angles that it was very difficult for the fire tenders to reach the fire and put it off very quickly. Now, coming to the actual cause of the fire and what has happened, the devastation that has happened due to the fire. एक तो let's come to the cause. उजो कोण पेटयता आनी कित्याक पेट्टा आनी उजो कोण पेटयता तो तेजेर कितें कारवाय जाता, कितें तेजेर कंप्लेंट जाता एंड वॉट एक्शन इज टेकिन तें म्हणल्यार आमी पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार केन्नाच जायना. कित्याक जायना तें आख्ख्या गोंयकारांनी सोजमोन घेवपाची गरज आहा. हें कित्याक जायना, कित्याक तालिगांवच्या शेताचें कोणाक पडलेलें ना. म्हाज्या हिसपान तर हो उजो आमचे पळय MLA आहा तालिगांवचे आनी पणजेची त्या फॅमिलीच्या लोकांनीच उजो लायला ओ त्या फॅमिलीच्या लोकांचे कोण लागीं आहा त्या लोकांनी उजो लायला ती आमकां डावट येता. आमी कन्फर्म तुमकां सांगूंक शकना पूण डावट आमकां तोच येता. कित्याक उजो कोणें पेटयला, एवरी इयर उजो पेटता थिंगा, एवरी इयर थिंगा डेवस्टेशन जाता. पूण कोण केन्ना कोणाचेंच नांव भायर सरना, कोणाचेंच केन्ना फायंड आवट जायना. थिंगा शेतकार आहा ते बावडे ते म्हणटाना आमी उलोवन कांय फायदो ना, आमी उलयल्यार आमचेर मागीर ते तापता, आमचेर मागीर ते हें बेजार जाता आनी आमकां मागीर त्रासान घालता. पूण एवरी सिंगल इयर, समटायम्स ट्वायस अ इयर, समटायम्स थ्रायस अ इयर, someone lights a fire over there and then the fire goes on for 2-3 hours and destroys the fields and destroys the entire ecosystem in those fields. Now what is destroyed? This time people had to be evacuated. That is why there was so much of noise. But every year people are shutting their doors and windows. When the fire happens, most buildings are shutting their doors and windows and they are सोसून घेता ती भितर घरान बसता आनी सोसता. ह्या पावट इतलो उजो जाल्लो आनी इतलो धुंवर जाल्लो तांकां सोसूंक जावंक ना, सोसूंक जायना म्हणून तांकां भायर काडचो पडलो लोकांनी. अदरवायज दे वूड हॅव डायड ऑफ एस्फिक्सिएशन in that fire. Now, why is this fire happening and how many people are getting affected is something that the government needs to see, something that the MLA of Talegaon needs to see, MLA of Panjim needs to see. The MLA of Talegaon and Panjim don't talk about it, do not bother to initiate any inquiry, and if anyone talks about it and tries to tell who has to be blamed, they are told to shut up. त्यांची तोंडां बंद करपाचे प्रयत्न करता ते. So this is what is happening in Talegaon. And सांगचे म्हणल्यार the environment in Talegaon gets completely destroyed. There is an ecosystem in those fields. There are small rabbits we have seen in those fields. There are snakes in those fields. There are little birds that lay nests in those fields. There are different थिंगा भरपूर जीव आहा, बारीक जीव आहा, व्हडलो जीव आहा. आख्खे ते एनवायरमेंट फिल्ड्साचे आहा ते आख्खे पिड्यार जाता. टोटल म्हणल्यार टोटल पिड्यार जाता ह्या उज्याक लागून. पूण उजो लायता कोण आनी तेजेर कारवाय जायना हेंच आमी सरकाराक विचारूंक सोदता, आमचे MLA विचारूंक सोदता आनी आमच्या पणजेचे MLA विचारूंक सोदता. आनी ती केन्ना जागी जातली आनी केन्ना ह्या उज्याचेर हें कोण मोरोसोर रावल्या ओ कोण मागीर एस्फिक्सिएशन जावन मरतलो तेज्या उपरांत तांकां पडलेलें आसतलें तें आमी विचारूंक सोदता तांकां. देव बरें करूं. थँक्यू.
Anyone has been filed a complaint on this?
Yeah, we had filed a complaint. What happens is when a fire incident gets reported, a complaint goes to the police station plus a complaint goes to the fire department. Such a big fire and no record happening is not possible. So there is proper documentation that the fire has happened. But what happens thereafter? It's not the fire department's job to figure out what has happened. The investigation lies with the police. The investigation lies with the authorities in the disaster management. The disaster management does not act on it, nor does the police act on it. Why they don't act on it is because the MLAs have a role to say in this. Because they have a role to say, that's why they don't act. If they wanted it to happen, they should have been sitting at the police station, they should have been sitting at the disaster management office saying, कित्याक जाता आमच्या तालिगांवन बॉन कित्याक जाता. They should have been answering those questions, they should have been questioning the authorities. But nothing like that happens. This shows that they are hand in glove with this entire fire burning that happens in Talegaon.
Why your Talegaon fields are shrinking? Because we see every time now this is a burning incident, but we have seen the encroachment of commercial spaces and residential spaces are coming in. Why
See,
do
the
you think?
Talegaon fields are
Because now
shrinking.
recently entire thing has been barricaded and closed, and inside construction is going on in the field, middle of the field of Talegaon.
See, the Talegaon fields, according to me, are shrinking because of our ex-Talegaon MLA, Mr. Babush Monserrat. I make no bones about it. I say this openly on camera and openly everywhere I go. He has been, he has been sleeping when people want to convert the fields. And he has been doing that to fields around him also. Everyone knows that he has a farmhouse near St. Michael's Church. Today, if you go next to his farmhouse, there is a field filling happening. That field is being filled. There are proper legal permissions for that field to be filled, right? But how was that legal permission derived at? How was that derived at was when the ODP was being made and when the earlier plans were being made for the ODP, that time they have shown those fields as residential. Nobody has objected, and when people objected, those fields were corrected. But where objections were not seen, they have allowed those fields to be converted to residential. And once they are converted in the ODP to residential, then an application is moved for a conversion sanad. Once a conversion sanad is done, then an application is moved for field filling. So it's a very, very detailed and very, very concerted effort to ensure that field filling happens in a legitimate way. Now, if the MLA of Talegaon, ex-MLA of Talegaon, his wife, his family, the Raj that goes on in Talegaon, if they wanted to, they could have stopped this. But they have never intended. Their intention is not to stop it. Their intention is to allow it. And when they allow it, to charge the people who they've allowed money so that they make money from it. And this is what goes on in Talegaon. So when fields are burning, the MLAs, both husband and wife, don't care a damn. When someone encroaches on the fields, both husband and wife don't care a damn. When the fields are flooding and the farmers can't do agriculture, both the MLAs of Talegaon, the Monserrat family doesn't give a damn. When the farmers are trying to do farming and their crops are destroyed by cattle, the Monserrat family doesn't give a damn. This shows very clearly that as far as the Talegaon fields are concerned, their aim and intention is to destroy them, completely destroy them. Whether you burn them, whether you allow stray cattle in there, whether you trouble the farmers, whether you allow the fields to flood, whether you allow construction there, whether you allow rampant field filling, land filling, wherever you go and turn a complete blind eye to it. That is what the MLA of Talegaon does. Now, people might say that, because he turns a blind eye, how does that mean that everyone is allowed to do it? The fact of the matter is that because he turns a blind eye, other people hold back. They try and stay back and they say, okay, no, if I might say something, I might be pulled out for it, I might be troubled for it. And this is the bullshit that goes on. I am Francis, I don't give a damn about these people and I don't care. I am going to keep saying to the general public that our Talegaon fields, which were the most famous fields in Goa, have been single-handedly destroyed by the Monserrat family, and it's continuously happening in Talegaon. Thank you.